Thank you so much for watching the Press Avenue YouTube channel. My name is John, and today we're going to talk about how to disable comments. So we get a lot of questions like this on our Facebook group, which is facebook.com/group/PressAvenue, where people ask just different things about WordPress or ask for help with their project, blog, client site, etc. So I'll leave a link in the description of that below. So today we'll go through how to disable comments with a plugin and how to do it without a plugin. And I've done both ways, and I've even added a plugin to remove comments in bulk. So like all old comments on past blog posts on an older site that just had tons of spam, etc. Then gotten rid of the plugin and then turned them off manually. So I'll walk you through the whole process. All right, so let's get into it. Gonna head over to just a demo site that I have that I use for WordPress tutorials like this one. And I'm going to walk you through it. So first I'll show you the plugin that I use. It's simply called Disable Comments. And I'll come in here and search for it. It's red and black. I got to be able to spell. Let's see, Disable Comments. And it's actually fairly popular. It's this one right here. Used to be run by another guy, and I think it either traded hands or they sold it to someone. I don't know how that works, but so go ahead and hit install and then activate. So this is with a plugin. Now again, you don't need to do this, but I am showing you if you have bulk comments. So say you have posts that are, maybe 30 days old, isn't that old, but from 3 years ago, you have other posts that have comments on it that maybe you want to delete. This is the way to do it. So disable comments, there it is there. If I go to setting, it's down here as well. So that's how you get to it. So we'll come here. So this says, what do you want to do? I want to disable comments globally on the entire site. And one thing this does that I like is if you select this, it actually hides this comments here as well. And it hides the discussion area. So it strips those out. So if that's something that you do want, the plugin would do that. And then you can disable these two as well, REST and XML, but I usually don't do that. And then under delete comments, I do this one. Now this is a fresh WordPress install. It has, if I go to comments here, just the hello world comments when you first install WordPress. So it doesn't have those legacy comments from forever ago. But if you do want to axe them completely, you can go to delete comments. So I can say permanently delete comments, and then it says this will permanently delete all comments everywhere on your website. So only use this if you want to delete absolutely all of them. You can do it per post type. So maybe you have media comments or landing page, just random stuff that bots pick up and post comments on. You can do that. And then you can do certain comment types, etc. But typically what I do if I'm stripping them off is I do everywhere and I hit delete comments and it says deleted. Now if I go back here to the comments itself, you will see that the one I had is gone and it's not even in the trash. So if you're not unsure about this and you want to restore them, you really can't. So just make sure you know what you're doing. And that's why I'm walking you through this. So I'll go back to disable comments. And I'll just show you this. We'll go to everywhere and save changes. Saving. Let's see if it does a reload. Nope. So comments is there. I'll click here to reload it. And now comments is gone and discussion is gone. But you do have this plugin here. So you do have that extra plugin. Now if you don't want this, if I deactivate this, it puts comments back and under settings, there's discussion. So now we will do turning off comments with just WordPress without a plugin itself. So go to settings and go to discussion. And then right here at the top, it says third one down, allow people to submit comments on new posts. So this is only if, say I blogged, right after this video and the new post, it will have this turned off. They will not be able to post a comment. So what you do is for old posts is you check this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth one down, automatically close comments on posts older than 0 days. So any other posts that maybe have comments on it already, it will close it and you'll no longer have comments on those posts. So if you turn this one off and this one on, I leave the rest. It doesn't matter because they can't post anyway. And then I come down here and I hit save. Now we've disabled comments and deleted them with that plugin. Now with that plugin, make sure to uninstall it. So I deactivated, then I delete, because it's simply just a tool to delete comments as a whole, and then use the WordPress way to turn them off for all future and current posts. Well, this was a short one, but if you have any questions about disabling comments, please let me know in the comments below. If this was helpful in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate your support. And also, if you'd like to see more WordPress tutorials like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching the Press Avenue YouTube channel.